Don't forget, if you like these drawing tutorials and want to do more, check out our teacher store. That's right, a bunch of lessons of how to draw comic books and other animals and all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out in the description. Down below is the link. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another cartoon drawing challenge adventure here on this channel. So today we are drawing Dotty from Special Agents Oso, requested by you. So you know what we got to do first. We got to get our 3Ps out, our paper, our pen, and our pencil. Hopefully have an eraser as well. I almost didn't have mine. So you got your supplies. We're going to turn our papers right away. We're jumping right into this. Let's turn our papers portrait or up and down, and we're going to get started. First of all, we're going to start with our pencils. Keep those pens down. We don't want to be drawing with those because if we make any sort of mistake, we can't correct it, right? So pencils first. All right, here's what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to start off nice and easy with a nice big circle. I love starting off with a circle. All right. Once you have your circle, we're going to do the secret. That's right, the artist secret. And I said that kind of loud. I should kind of keep it down. This is the secret called the magic T. Why do we call it the magic T? I'm going to show you. First, let's draw it. And we're going to actually draw a slanty line going straight down the middle, cutting that circle in half. And then we're going to, we have a T. You can see the T. So the magic T is magic, because now we know exactly where all the pieces of the face will go, and they'll all fall into place evenly and won't be all lopsided. Okay, once you have your magic T, we're going to go ahead and start. We're going to go right here to the magic T. We're going to make a nose. It's almost like a, I would call it a soft triangle, upside down triangle nose, like that. All right. And all we're going to do is go from the bottom of the magic T, go all the way up. Yeah, all the way up to the side of the nose. We're going to do the other side, same thing. We're going to come out of the nose, circle around, and straight up. Just like that. We're going to draw a nice, big, long letter U. Nice, big letter U. Just like that. Now, it's going to go really long. It's going to go almost down to the end of the circle, but not all the way. Inside that letter U, we're going to put in a baby letter U. Just like that. All right. We're going to go ahead and do some fun stuff. We're going to draw the ears. All we're going to do is go up to the top. Of course, we're going to go right to the top of the head. We're going to draw a big antenna. And we're going to draw another antenna. So let's finish off these ears. We're going to make big old curvy lines that go all the way back down to the magic T. Woo, whoop. Okay. Inside of this, we're going to make the same exact shape inside of this. So follow along. It's almost like you're a little car and you're just driving along the track. So we're going to do a curved line that goes straight back down. Curved line going back down. Now we should be able to make the body. So all we're going to do is, again, on this magic T line, we're going to go right here, and we're going to make a bigger circle. You saw how big this circle was? We're going to make it even bigger. A big. Okay, I think that'll work. We're going to do another circle inside of that one. So 2 circles. Looks like we drew a big tire. A big tire body. All right, let's connect the body with the head with 2 curvy lines. So from the side of the head down into the body, we're just going to draw a curvy line like that. And we're going to do the other side, same way. Another curvy line like that. So let's do the first leg. We're going to do, it's just going to be a little curvy line coming straight out like that, going straight down, and another one right next to it going straight down. So we got 2 curved lines, and then we're just going to draw a straight line across. Now we're going to give him his other leg right over here. it's going to be a curvy line that's coming out this way. And then we're going to do right next to this one, a little bit further. Kind of look at the distance of your other leg because we want them to be kind of similar, right? So this one's going to be, he's going to be like, ah, like that. So it's off to the side. And then we'll just connect both with another straight line. Okay. Now we got to give him some feet. All we're going to do is draw a curvy line like that and a curvy line like that on both sides, going straight down. It's almost like we just did some parentheses, and then we're just going to connect them with, we can do kind of a straight line, or I'm going to do a little curvy line. It's kind of curvy. It's like a flat smile curve. And we'll do that on this foot over here. So this one, we're actually going to draw almost like a fish, like a hook or something. We're drawing like a little hook like that. And we're going to draw just a little flat curvy line. So this one's got all the curve to it. This one's got not so much curve. And then we're going to just connect it with a curvy line. All right, now let's do his toes. Easy peasy. All we're going to do for his toes is a curved line like that. We're going to draw 2 curved lines for each foot. One, this one's going this way, this one's going this way. On this one, both are going to be this way. So we're going to draw a curved line 1 and a second curved line 2. Let's get those letter U's going. We love the letter U. And so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a big long one going straight out that direction, just like that. We're going to draw another letter U coming out of his neck, if you can believe it, and looping around that way. All right, out of this one here, we're going to draw a little letter U, like that. And then we're going to draw some fingers. And the fingers are going to be, you guessed it, a letter U. All right, so here we go. There's one finger. Now we're going to do a 3-dimensional. So at the top of this, we're going to do a little fish hook. Little fish hook. Choo. And now suddenly he's got 2 fingers. All right, let's look at the other hand. And we've got a letter U coming out of that one, like that. And then we're going to draw a longer letter U. And this one is going to be curving upwards towards the ceiling over here. All right, fish hook time. Ready? Right out of here, we're going to do a fish hook. Whoop, just like that. All we're going to do is connect these 2 now. Just like that with a little curvy line. Let's do some rainbows right out of the nose. On each side of the nose, we're going to do a big rainbow. And the rainbow is going to go all the way around on that magic T line. Of course, we got to use the magic T line. And we're going to go really far to the side of the head, but we're not going to touch the side. Okay? We're going to do another rainbow. We got double rainbows here. And this one's coming out of the nose. Again, add that magic T line. Rainbow, 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 all the way around, just like that. Once you have those rainbows, we are going to connect them together with a little smile. Just a little flat smile like that. Okay. And then inside, we're going to draw an eyeball, a nice big circle eyeball on top of that magic T line, of course. And we're going to do one on each side. All right, let's do an eyeball inside the eyeball. We're going to just do another circle. We're going to fill this one in. Or, if you want, you can use your eraser or leave a little dot inside each of these eyeballs. And you're going to leave that white. Gives that little shine in the eyes that everyone seems to like so much. We're also going to put a little oval inside the nose, like that. All right, I hate to do it, but I think we need to get rid of the magic T line because we're at the point now where we're going to start erasing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, now you can wait till after you ink in your drawing and then erase the magic T line. I am going to take out the magic T line now. All right. So we got the magic T line out of there so people don't know all our secrets. All right, let's finish off this eye. And oh, we've got some triangles we can add to this. So let's add 3 triangles to each side of the eye. 1, 2, 3. We can fill those in like that. And then we're going to also do a, we're going to try and do this. We're going to draw an eyelid by going all the way across. So it's basically another rainbow all the way across. And then we're going to follow the bottom as well. And we're going to try and do that without touching the eyeball inside. You can do it. I know you can. All right. So we're going to draw one big oval right here on the top. We're going to draw a half oval right there. And then I'm going to draw 2, a big one and a small one right there. Okay, she's coming together here. Right here by the neck, we're going to draw a curvy line like that. And then we're going to draw a smaller curvy line right next to it. Now, what is this? What are we drawing here? This is weird. We're going to draw the vest. Down here at the bottom, we're going to draw a little, I don't know what you want to call it. Well, let's start with a curvy line, and then we'll just curl back up into the circle. All we're going to do is we're going to connect these pieces with these pieces here. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go from here. We're going to make a big curved line that goes all the way into the circle body and down. And we can go all the way through, all the way down, and we can touch the sides here. All right, we're going to go from the bottom of this shape that we made. We're going to do the same thing, and we're going to connect up here to this other little curvy line. So it's the same thing. It's almost like we are making some clothes, which we just did. So now we can erase everything inside this little road that we made, like that. We can erase this part in here. We can go ahead and erase this. I'm going to do something here. All right, from here, all we're going to do is we're going to draw a curvy line, just like that. All right. So we have, this is the vest. We made the vest, basically. And I'm going to actually draw a second line. 2 curvy lines like that. I know, that was quite a ways to make a vest. All we're going to do inside this is a nice big circle and a second circle inside. Let's go ahead and get our erasers out. Let's do some erasing and let's clean up our drawing, okay? We're going to do a lot of cleaning up right here. So all we're going to do right here is we're going to erase the top of the circle and the bottom of the first circle you drew. Like that. Okay. Over on the hands, let's go ahead and erase all the extra lines. So all we want are the shapes of the hand. So we have the arm that goes right into the hand like that. In fact, let's give it we're going to do a little half circle right here because it's a dot. Let's go over to this side. We're going to do the same thing basically. We're going to erase all the stuff from the arm to the fingers and the thumb, just like that. Let's look at the foot real quick. We're going to just erase a little bit right here of the foot, like that. And we're going to, we'll erase just a piece of this foot here. The rest of it, I like the rest. Okay, let's leave the rest. Let's do a half circle here and a little bit of a half circle there. Let's do the watch first because that's easy. Nice big oval like that. Out of each oval, we're going to do slanted lines that shoot out from that watch. We're going to just connect it and erase inside. Look at that. We're already got a watch going on here. We're just going to draw 2 straight lines going straight down and then 1, 2 into it. Look at that. Watch. Done. Boom. Let's draw a line right here that matches this one here. And we're going to draw a little curvy spot line right there. Let's draw a little curvy line right here, just like that. And we're going to shoot up on each side of this all the way up to the neck. So here we go. Just like that. On the other side of this circle, there's the curved line. We're going to shoot up straight just like that. Boom. Erase everything inside. Look at that. Dotty from Special Agents Oso. Ink these in, color them up. Don't forget, we do have a Facebook page. That's right. I want to see your Dotties. I want to see you. I want to see the artwork of Dotty that you created, because it'll be so much better than the one I did. And I would love to showcase it on all our medias, our channels. We got Instagram, Facebook, and right here on YouTube. We can showcase your work, and I would love to do that. So ink these in, color them up, send them on in, and keep on drawing. The more you do, the better you get. Bye. What? You want to draw more? Well, we got more videos for you to watch. Check out any of these, and please share this with all your friends. Let's get more people drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. All right, see you at the next video.